In case if you don't know, IOGS is offering all of its Level 2 courses online that you can take from anywhere at your own pace and when it's convenient for you. To start enrollment, type in our website URL on your web browser. On the top of the page, click on the Enroll a Course button. Once the page loads, you will be asked to select the course type you want to enroll in. Then click on the button associated with the online course enrollment. After clicking, fill out the enrollment form by providing your required information, and then select the online course you wish to enroll in from the drop-down menu. If you have a discount coupon code under the promotion, type it in here and apply for the discounted price that should appear on the Submit button. Once done, accept our terms and conditions by checking the box. Before checking the box, read through the terms by clicking on the terms and conditions that are underlined. Then click on the Submit and Pay button to proceed to the Review and Payment page. On this page, you should check through the details you have provided and the course you have selected for enrollment is correct. When all seems good, proceed to payment for the course. Payments may be made using a credit or debit card or PayPal. You can pay using US currency or Indian rupees. Once your payment has been confirmed, you will immediately receive an enrollment confirmation email. Your login ID and password to access the course will be sent within 24 hours of the course enrollment. As soon as you receive your login information, you can go on and start learning by accessing the online course you have enrolled for. It's as simple as that. If you need any further information or have questions, please email us.